Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2017 Harley Davidson Street Bob. This gloss black edition has just over 9,000 miles on it and will be sold as is. Let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. Tires on this bike are in good shape, plenty of life left in it. Comes with a Daymaker headlight. It's got 14-inch T-bars, an S&S air intake, Vance & Hines downswept pipes, leather saddlebags with the rear signals repositioned, as well as tinted lenses. Back tire as well, great shape, plenty of life left in that. Derby cover. And again, the apes and the grips. Factory mid controls with highway pegs. Alright, show you those miles now. $9,003 is what's on it. This 2017 Harley Davidson Street Bob will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.